Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here is another pattern on the board. Let's reason it together. 9 is written here, 3 is written down, then 1 is written here, 2 is written here. How did they do it? So if I look carefully, I will know that there is a relationship between 3 and 9. What is the relationship? It means 3 square, which means 3 times 3 will give me 9. Or 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. And when you square it, which means the same thing as 9. That is how this 9 is arrived at. Then we need to know, how do I calculate 3 itself if 3 is omitted? If 3 is omitted, how will I calculate this 3? I will simply say square root of 9, which will be 3. Or I will say 1 plus 2 gives me 3. How that is clear? Then we need to learn, we bring back that 3. We need to bring this 3 back. Then we calculate. If 2 is not given to me, how will I calculate 2? I will simply say the square root of 9, which is 3, minus 1 will give me 2. It means 2 has been brought back. Or I can equally say 3 minus 1 equals to 2. It can be done in 2 ways. This 2 has been calculated, we'll claim 1. How do I get 1? I can simply say 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Or the square root of 9, which is 3, minus 2 will also give me 1. All the numbers have been calculated. Let's move to the pattern below and see if it will agree with the one I just explained. So starting with the biggest number, 25. How are they getting 25? Which means 5 square. 5 square means 5 times 5, which gives me 25. 25 has been calculated. We are going to check other parts, like this 5 itself. How do I calculate 5? I will say square root of 25 is equals to 5. Or the sum of the two numbers here, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. And 5 has been calculated. How do I calculate this 3? I'll put question mark. I can simply say 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. I'll put 3 back here. How do I calculate 2? For clarity, let's clean this. We know 2 will be the answer. How is 2 calculated? We simply say 5 minus 3 equals to 2. This is another pattern. Let's reason it together. 3 times 3 will give me 9. Plus 2 equals to 11. So the next thing we need to learn now is, how do we calculate each other part? Since we have known how 11 is calculated, how do I calculate this 3? I'll put question mark. So to calculate this 3, I will start from the number below here, which is 11. 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 will give me 9. Then 9 divided by this 3 will definitely give me 3. Then 3 has come back. I will take the opposite number 2. How will it be calculated? 11 minus 2 will give me 9. The answer you get divided by the opposite number, which is 3, equals to 3. So the last part is this middle number. I'll put question mark. How do I calculate this unknown number? I will simply say 11 minus the 2 opposite numbers. 3 times 3. 11 minus 9 equals to 2. So that is how this number is being calculated. Now, let's see whether this second one will correspond with the one I explained earlier. I want to know how this 7 is arrived at. 7 is arrived at by saying 5 times 1 equals to 5 plus 2 will give me 7. 7 has been found. So we are going to check other numbers. 5, 1, and 2. How are we going to calculate it? 1 by 1. So I will clean 5 first. Put question mark. How do I get this 5? I will start with the bigger number, which is 7, minus 2, which will give me 5 divided by 1 equals to 5. That is how 5 will be calculated. I will bring back 5. So I will clean 1, which is the opposite number. How do I get this 1? I will follow the same rule, which says 7 minus 2 equals to 5, and divide that 5 by the number opposite the question. 5 divided by 5 is 1. I will bring back 1. So the last number that I've not calculated is 2. We hide it by cleaning it and put question mark. How do I get this number that is not known? I will simply go to the damn number, which is 7, minus the product of the 2 opposite numbers. 5 times 1. 7 minus 5 will give me 2, which is the 2 that was here. Now that I've explained this pattern, and I believe everybody has understood, you attempt this, the missing number here, work it out, find the missing number, and submit the answer in the comment section below. Thank you for listening.